Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text behind person video edit in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste the video like so, and I'm going to select cutout on the second video, and I'm going to select auto cutout, and it will cut out this object. And then I'm going to select text here, and I'm going to add it behind the person like this. And I'm just going to type in whatever I want. I'm just going to type in ocean actually. And I'm also going to change the font. Adjust the size maybe. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can add in shadows and stuff like that. But as you can see, the text is behind the person. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!